What is going on, you guys? AK Vang Firearms. So when I was telling you guys about you know, getting my new optic installed, so here's the thing. Boom! Holosun EPS 905. No, I'm so fucking sorry. 509 part. Sorry about that. But yeah, so I took it down to Alaska Downrange. The guy's name is Jim. Like I told you guys to go to my previous video. Hey, great guy, great customer service. He helped me install it because unfortunately after getting it milled down, the screws were too long, so he helped me out by shortening the screws. Yeah, but I'm loving it so far. You know, big giant sight picture. You guys want to see the sight picture? Let me show you the sight picture. Hopefully you guys can see it. All right, but yeah, so far I'm loving it. Gonna plan to take this down to the range sometime soon and give you guys a fully good update. All right, peace. What is going on, you guys? AK Vang Firearms. As you can tell, it's really fucking cold, but we are still out here putting in some work. So we are still going to test out the new holosun EPS that was installed on my Glock 17, and of course milled out by Jim at Alaska Downrange. Oh god, I hope you guys can hear me through the mic, but yeah, it's really cold. And of course I got my buddy over here behind the camera, you know. All right, well, let's get into some action.
Recorded.
All right. It's so fucking cold.
Three shots. Okay, so it looks like you need to aim yours a little bit lower.
Hold up, let me go see real quick, downrange.
Okay, yours needs to go down and right.
You said down and right?
Yep. Here, try one of the tools that I have to see if any of these will work.
Hold on, let me try one more time before zeroing it.
No, dude, make the change. That's the whole point of zeroing it.
Hold on, because my I accidentally went too fucking far in.
Okay.
Yeah, let me try one more time.
Can't see where mine is. Okay, so a little bit to the left. Okay. I need to bring mine to the right.
Yep. Downrange.
Go ahead. Hold on. Go ahead.
Oh no! Don't fall. Yep. So everything is going up left. Just gonna have to bring it down right. It's fucking cold, man. Test number 2. Downrange. So, you know what's the funny part? Is that
I think mine is pretty sighted in already. It's cold as shit.
It's that the funny part is that didn't bring it in. Did not bring the adjustable in. Want to go take a peek at mine?
What?
Want to go take a peek at mine?
No, yours is pretty good.
You
Your
sure?
grouping is there. So I think yours is already pretty much adjusted correctly a little bit. It's just the targets are swinging back and forth, dude.
You think so?
Yeah, see how fucking violently the targets are swinging back and forth?
Let me try something.
Yeah, see? It's there.
Huh. Going downrange right quick. You know what? I think it is zeroed out. I think I just have a bitch ass grip.
Zeroed out just a little bit.
I think it might just be a bitch ass grip that I have right now.
Yeah, plus you're wearing gloves too and it's cold as shit.
Yeah.
Wind's blowing pretty hard.
Let's give it another shot. No gloves. Going hot.
Go ahead. Do the bottom right square. Nice.
God damn! Shut up. So far, I'm loving it so far, the EPS. Of course, right now it's really fucking cold, so it seems really zero fucking out, and my glove flew off. Great. It does seem really zeroed out, but I think it might just be my fucking grip because it's really cold. Of course, no excuses. That's what people say, right, David? Ah! That's a faggot over there. All right, let's get it.
Fucking cold!
I'm sorry, I'm being really fucking loud into the mic. Well, David, how cold is it?
Fucking cold.
Yeah, really fucking cold. You know, that's the one thing I don't want to fucking do? Is reload fucking ammo.
Toughen up, bitch.
See that? Toughen up. Yeah, I know it's fucking cold. Woohoo!
America!
Oh, I got a stovepipe.
Nice.
Oh, I got a fucking double feed. Come on.
America!
Now that's America.
Woo!
Oh yeah, I'm out of ammo. Now what do we do when we're out of ammo? Alright,
Bitch out.
gotta go downrange.
Go ahead. Reload it.
Alright. It's all in. Alright. This is a build drill.
Send it!
It's still cold. Fuck. No excuses. Yeah, it looks like shit. Whatever. But overall, overall review. I think I like the APS a lot. It looks really good. Let me say it again because I'm away from the camera. Overall, I like the review. I like the APS a lot. And yeah. Shout out to Jim at Alaska Downrange. He's a great guy, great customer service. He built up my Glock 17 slide for me. He helped me to seal it properly, shorten some screws that didn't really fit into it. Other than that, hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and most of all, like, share, and subscribe. It's pretty much a cold day, so hey, peace, America! Woohoo! Oh shit.
Going down.
I ain't going out there.
No, but I mean, it's with paper, but still, fuck!
Yeah.